I get so caught up in the middle.
Hi everyone, it's Sophie from Studio 58. I'm just going to go through a few tips with you on how to maintain the condition of your hair at home during the times of lockdown. Not being able to visit us for your regular trims and treatments, you are bound to be experiencing inevitable frizzing and splitting ends. Now's the time to maintain your hair at home by using a twice a week conditioning mask and also avoid any direct heat onto your hair. Mainly to protect against any breakages from combing or any mechanical damage, i.e. straighteners, hair drying, things like that. The second one would be a Nutri-enriched warming express mask. This is a self-warming treatment that brings shine and softness to dry and damaged and stressed hair.